Eye bags are one of the major problems today, generally faced by the huge amount of individuals in the present day's hectic life. The pace of life can add stress and anxiety to our minds, which is also affecting our eyes. The stress is always reflected in the form of shadows under our eyes. So that you have to identify the reason before taking the remedial actions, which are extremely important to prevent some undue effects like eye bags on our health. Causes of bags under eyes. The presence of eye bags must be an indication of lots of ailments. Sudden development of eye bags can be raised due to allergic reactions coming from food or cosmetic products. There are lots of allergies that must be stopped through perfect medication. Hereditary is another major reason for developing puffiness under your eyes. It can also be an indication of the deficiency of proper nutrition like proteins, vitamins, folic acids, or a sufficient amount of fats. Lack of sufficient amount of sleep, getting over stress, and watching television or computer screens for a long time can make a negative effect on the health of your eyes, which leads to puffiness or eye bags. Eye bags can also be developed if the person is exposed to long hours of sun. Other common causes for the development of eye bags are over-smoking, over-alcohol drinking, hormonal imbalances, or issues connected with kidneys or the large intestines. How to get rid of bags under eyes? So here are some perfect natural ways to get rid of bags under the eyes. Cold compress. Another effective solution for bags under the eyes is a cold compress. Try to apply a cold compress for at least 10 to 15 minutes, once or twice a day. Use tea bags. Tea bags are the most effective way to get rid of bags under the eyes quickly. If you are in urgency, you can take the 2 tea bags, then moisten them, and after that place them in your freezer for a few minutes. Next, put these cold tea bags on your eyes for a minimum of 15 to 20 minutes, and then wash your face very gently. The ice bag will be gone very quickly and you may feel very fresh and rejuvenated. Another way to utilize this tea bag is with hot water. In this step, you have to boil some amount of water and then take 2 tea bags in it. Next, take out this tea bag after 2 minutes and allow them to become dry. After that, place this tea bag under your eyes if these turn perfectly cool. You can also utilize flavored tea bags like peppermint flavor or cardamom flavor. These all help you to get the benefit of aromatherapy that can make your nerves soothe. Try cucumber. This is one of the oldest and most effective tricks which you can easily find in the book. Just get slices of chilled cucumber and then place the slices on your eyes. Try to keep it for more than 30 minutes. This chilled cucumber will provide you relief. Vitamin E oil. You can take vitamin E oil for reducing the eyes bag. Take just a few drops of this oil with some amount of chilled water. Then dip a cotton ball in this mixture, and after that place the cotton balls on your eyes. Vitamin E always gives a soothing effect and chilled water gives the coolness. You must get relief from these eye bags within approximately 20 to 25 minutes. This is one of the great ways to get rid of bags under your eyes fast. Eye cream. Use a high-quality under-eye wrinkle cream. It is one of the ideal ways to smooth and tighten the soft skin around your eyes, but you have to choose a perfect cream to choose an ideal eye wrinkle cream. You can read reviews of various websites. Drink water. One of the main reasons for these under-eye bags is the consumption of huge amounts of salty food. This excess salt in your body can attract more amount of water to the face. This fact might lead to eye bags. One way to get rid of bags under the eyes naturally is to drink sufficient water, because excess water in your body will assist in flushing down this excess amount of salt. So, try to keep drinking a huge amount of water, which helps you to regain your fresh look.